Hey, NASDAQ. We get the best dope on the markets. We are going to talk crude oil. I am your host, Alan Palmer. And what are we talking here? Let's go to Brent crude. Now, all of a sudden, last week, everybody was quoting Brent crude because it was the highest price, and let's look at, this is the June contract, okay? This is Brent crude. This is what they trade. We're going to go to crude oil here in just a second in the U.S., okay? As a matter of fact, here, because we got some important levels here. If you've been following me here for the last couple weeks, or at least a week, on the upside here, as a matter of, well, this is a week here, and these are a couple cell numbers here. This is in May crude oil here, okay? That it is April 7th, okay? This is coming up into delivery. It goes off this month. I know it's April and it goes off in May. It's a New York market. Anyway, a couple possible levels here where the algos sell, or a big money manager, or the biggest money manager. Okay, this is when they all get jacked up. Okay, the general characteristics of an olive line sell is that everybody is bullish. Right now, everybody's looking at this thing going all-time highs. Okay, does that sound like today's market? Anyway, these are sells. 117.15 was my number here. We got over it. 117.63 was the high here, okay? Speaking of high, we are in high alert for a nuclear bomb dropped by Trump. If you're watching fake news, maybe he does it. As a matter of fact, I've had people that surprised me that said, well, we nuked Japan, let's nuke them. So this is, today is Tuesday, okay? And here, this is in the Brent here. I have some sell levels here. All of them have to be played independently here because we got two sets here. One goes orange thin olive, which is right on top of that green one here. Here, let's just blow this up just so when you look at one of my charts, if you were to get my chart service, okay, and you see like you go, well, that kind of looks like green and olive, okay? Well, we blow it up here. Okay, and this is 108.70, 895. Okay, we got 26 cents in between these two, so it's an area. Okay, here's another area right here. This is one number stand by itself. Here, if you were going to play this retest, man, you'd have a new high stop. 112.12 is the stop. As a matter of fact, 112.12, that punk. That was the tip-top tick here. That was on March 19th. Okay, up above here around 116 is my next number here. This is in Brent, June, okay? We're not really concerned about Brent because we're in the United States. And what was this? This is June. I have this spread in backwards here. This is June minus May, okay? Let's now, to be perfectly honest here, I have the same chart here. This looks like it's the same chart here. And, okay, so here, sometimes the numbers will change just slightly here. There's a reason for it. These are CQG, the professional charts. These are the charts you use. Kind of like over here, May crude here, 117.35 and 117.15, okay? So they're different time durations. And so they'll have slightly different levels here, okay? So you have to, they're pivots. They're pivots for you, okay? You need to know more about that, email me, ARP@NASDAQ. Okay, this is the same thing, May crude oil here, okay? 117.50. This is an intraday, okay? This is a short-term chart. Look at this. This very well could be the top, okay? Tomorrow, listen, you cannot rule out tomorrow we're $10 lower, okay?
And we don't bomb anything. And we don't bomb any fucking,
How about they nuke them and we go up to the olive line at 130?